I would like to talk about this course.
Yes.
I learned many things in this course, like podoplasty, labioplasty, PRP, filler of the labia majora, and this will help me to improve my practical clinic.
Are you satisfied with the course? Because we
Yes.
include very comprehensive.
Yes,
it is
very
over your expectancy, lower than
No,
your
it is,
expectancy. What do you
it's
think?
above my expectancy. I learned many things from this course.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you for you.
In this course in Istanbul in February 2024, we have a very comprehensive and very intensive program with very distinguished doctors from all over the world. So we are happy to meet them. But this is only start. In the future, inshallah, we can get together again
Inshallah.
and hope to join.
Thank you
so much
Thank you for
your attendance.
Thank you for you.